How do you know the Innocent Kru?
I'm Hype's wife.
Hype! Stop talking and just ravish me.
We just forget that I came here.
A deal with the devil is final.
The last time I checked you like dancing, when that become a crime.
But the crew is still the crew, and you need to realize that.
What is this foolishness about not extraditing Razor Blade?
You're here? I live here.
Innocent Kru has threatened the paper money crew.
Say what?
Yes, that's what I said.
Razor Blade untouchable like Scarface. A harder man for hunt than Jim Brown. Him is a man with a reputation of a natty Morgan. A villain.
I get the point.
Hype!